Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to try out this Bono B-O-N-O Sabor chocolate. It does, show like a chocolate cookie up in front. It does show these birds up in the front. Let's open this. Okay guys, the package is open now, and also you can open it on the top or on the side of it. There's like a tab, you can pull it just to open it. Okay guys, the cookie looks like this. It has the word Bono in there. B-O-N-O. The chocolate chip, smells good. Okay. The flavor, it's not exactly like chocolate. It does almost taste like like it was like a Family Dollar, like or Dollar Tree, or like the cookies. That's what it tastes like. It does have like a little bit sweetness to it. It has a little bit good crunch. And there's a little bit cream in there. You cannot really taste any chocolate flavor in it. It doesn't really have that sweetness to it. I mean, it's not it's not very sweet. You could probably only taste about this much chocolate in there. This product does taste good. It does have like a better quality than a Dollar Tree or Family Dollar, the cookie. I'm probably going to give this one product of a rating of a 2 out of 5. You could get this product online. Okay guys, if you guys like this video, I do have videos on my channel if you guys want to check out. Okay, see ya.